मला असं वाटतं ना, की मी खरंच खूप नशीबवान आहे आणि देवाने मला खूप चांगल्या म्हणजे परिस्थितीत ठेवलंय, की छान मी 3 BHK मध्ये राहतेय. मस्त म्हणजे मला असं नाही, की ते गर्व आहे त्याचा, बट मी त्याच्याबद्दल खूप जे म्हणतात ना, असं मी खूप ग्रेटफुल आहे, की बाय ऑल मीन्स आय एम सेटल्ड. मला बाकी काही टेन्शन नाहीये. मस्त जॉब आहे, नवरा मस्त कमवतोय, मस्त महिन्याला पैसे देतोय, मी उडवते.
क्या
माझी
बात.
सॅलरी मी सेव्ह करतेय. I'm saving my salary and he's spending his money. That is something I didn't imagine before. And these things are happening with me. Yes, I'm happy.
Sarita is completely 360-degree change.
I'm on top of the world now. Yeah.
And the way I have seen her, I had a one-to-one meeting with her long time back. And this girl, the first question I asked her, and she started with tears.
Yeah.
She started crying. This is happening, this is happening, this is happening in my life.
Yeah, do you remember one our first session? Yeah, that was before 21 days, that course.
And I told you, stop crying now.
Completely for 1 hour, I was complaining.
Crying.
Yeah, and this is the day I didn't have any complaint. I don't have any complaint, and I'm just satisfied with my life. Whatever I am having now, that is more than enough. I imagine. Like I didn't imagine this kind of life I'm going to live. त्याच्या पण पुढचं सांगते, की आपण बोललो होतो माझ्या मिस्टरांच्या बद्दल. पण ते पण आता पूर्ण स्टॉप आहे आणि म्हणजे दिवसातनं 4 फोन येतात.
Oh
कुठे
my
आहेस?
God.
दिवसातून 4 फोन मिनिमम 4 कॉल्स असतात. कुठे आहेस? कशी आहेस? जेवली का?
How
म्हणजे
is that happened?
Yes, the person who were never asking me, did you have anything? He asked me for breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Oh, that's a big, big success story. I think your biggest complaint was, what was your complaint
Mhm.
about him?
That was the main complaint about him, no, that he
What was
didn't
that?
care. He didn't care for me. He's taking me granted for everything, and he just think that he just uses me for his growth, right? That was my uh, misbelief, maybe. He was using me for his growth. He is growing, 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 and I am just a pity girl who is looking after his family, and he is just making fun alone there. Like I was thinking about him, but that is not case, and he is hardworking. Yes, did you see? My thoughts are shifting.
You see? And now you made him to message you
Yeah,
4 times
my
a day,
thoughts
5 times
are
a day. You are
consciously.
changing your frequency.
My thoughts are shifting. No, he is hardworking. He is yeah, taking care of us all of three. He is coming every after 15 days, and yeah, he makes sure that I don't have any complaint about the home, maid, or anything. Yes, he's making sure of it.
And the scene was exactly opposite when I met you.
Yeah, yeah, that
He
was
does
the
not
case.
care for me. He does not pay attention to my children. He does
Mhm.
not pay us money. Does not send me message. He does not talk to me. He avoids me.
Yeah, those
Now
things were
exactly
there,
opposite
but
process.
today is the day that he is. Those all complaints have transformed into the reality. Yes.
And now your frequency changed and your
Yeah.
reality is totally different. He's messaging you 3 times a day.
Yeah, and he calls me. He makes sure that I am safe. I have reached office safely. I have taken my breakfast, and I am coming home safely.
So your courtship is started. It is like you are
Yes,
getting
yes,
married now.
yes, 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 yes. He is like, yes, he thinks that if I would not have been done these things, he would not be just today
Oh, so he's
here with
giving
me.
credit to you. Because of
Yeah,
you, he has reached the success.
yeah.
Amazing, amazing.
असतं त्यांचा फोन येतो. पण मी कधीही स्वतःहून कॉल करायला जात नाही. पण ते स्वतः दिवसातून 4 फोन असतातच असतात. मिनिमम 4
And
फोन.
few months back, this girl was begging for love.
या.
Call me, talk to me,
येस. म्हणजे
pay
एक ते
attention
फिलिंग
to me.
हां, ते असायचं की पर्पजली आपल्याला यूज करतायत. आपल्याला यूज करून पुढे चाललेत आणि आपल्याला साधं अप्रिशिएशन पण नाहीये की हां, तुझ्यामुळे झालं बाई, हे सुद्धा नाहीये असं वाटत होतं. पण आता तसं नाहीये. छान चाललंय.
I'm so,
म्हणजे
so, so happy.
प्रत्येक ऑगस्ट महिना, सप्टेंबर महिना म्हणजे आमच्यात ना असं किरकिर, 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 किरकिर. काय माहिती हे पूर्ण ऑगस्ट महिना मला खराब जायचा. पण आता छान गेला. खूप ऑगस्ट पूर्ण छान गेला. म्हणजे मी इथूनच क्वाईट आहे असं मला वाटतं. पीसफुल आहे. थँक यू टू यू.